In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete fixed assets in Xero. Now, managing your assets efficiently on Xero is crucial for keeping your financial records up to date and accurate. There are times when you might need to remove or delete an asset from your records, perhaps due to it being sold, scrapped, or simply recorded in error. Understanding how to do this seamlessly within Xero can be incredibly beneficial for accurate accounting. Let's walk through this process together step by step. Firstly, let's get started by heading over to Xero. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Xero. Once you have found it, click on the link labeled Xero, Accounting Software for Small Businesses. This will take you directly to the Xero homepage. Once there, you'll need to log in to proceed further. Click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login details, and you'll be directed to your Xero dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the section where you can manage your fixed assets. On your Xero dashboard, look for the Accounting tab. Give it a click, and you will see a drop-down menu. In the options listed, select Fixed Assets. This is where you can view and manage all the assets you've recorded in Xero. With the Fixed Assets menu open, you're ready to choose the asset you want to delete. Scroll through your list of recorded assets to find the specific fixed asset you'd like to remove. Once you've found it, select it. Keep in mind that selecting accurately is important, as deleting is a permanent action. Make sure the asset you're about to delete is indeed the one you no longer need in your records. After selecting the asset, you should see an option to delete it. Click on the Delete button. This will prompt a confirmation dialog. Xero wants to ensure that you are certain about this action, which is why they require an additional confirmation. Simply click on Delete again to confirm your choice. And just like that, the asset will be removed from your list. One important note is to ensure you really want to delete the asset, as removing it will erase any related records within that asset. This process is irreversible, so double-check it's the correct asset and that removing it aligns with your accounting goals. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently delete fixed assets in Xero, ensuring your records remain clean and accurate. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any other questions about Xero, feel free to reach out. Happy accounting!